Everyone is cooking eggs like this after seeing this genius idea. Start by wrapping a small bowl in a piece of plastic wrap just like mine. It should look like this. Next, add a drizzle of vegetable oil. Then place a whole egg inside it and form a pouch with the plastic wrap just like I'm doing, then tie it tightly. It should look like this. Repeat this process with 2 more eggs. After doing that, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 1.5 liters of water. And when this water begins to boil, add the pouches with the eggs and let them cook for 5 minutes, stirring constantly just like I'm doing. By doing this, the egg whites should cook thoroughly while the yolks will stay soft, but if you don't like soft yolks, cook them a little longer. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right point. Remove the eggs from the water and set them aside. Now, cut a ripe avocado in half. Next, remove the pit and cut the flesh into strips. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Finally, to assemble the dish, place the avocado strips on a plate and arrange them as you like. Then, remove the eggs from the pouches. And to season, add salt to taste, garlic flakes to taste, and chopped green onions to taste. But all of these seasonings are optional. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.